So we're here today at the UKIVA Machine Vision Conference in Milton Keynes. It's been a very busy show and it's great to meet so many new customers and to meet some suppliers. We're here to demonstrate our hotspot system, which is our hot melt glue inspection, and also inspecting heat seals on packaging, and also our new tote inspect system. This is an artificial intelligence based system for logistics. It's used to identify if any components have been left in the tote bin to avoid the distribution centres from giving away unnecessary products.
Had lots of new inquiries, starting very early from this morning, 9:05, on one of our new products, which is the hotspot thermal inspection system. We're also introducing two more new products at this exhibition, and it looks like the afternoon is going to be equally busy. So it's been a good day.